In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in Microsoft Outlook. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have a fresh, secure password for your account. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. Sign into your account if you aren't already. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon, the small avatar or initial that represents your account. This opens a quick menu with options related to your account. From there, choose My Profile. This takes you to your account profile page where you manage personal details and security settings. On this page, look for the option labeled Change Password and click it. Outlook will redirect you to a dedicated password page so you can update your credentials safely. On the password page, you'll see fields to create your new password and to re-enter it for confirmation. Type your new password in the first field, then re-enter the exact same password in the second field to confirm. Take a moment to craft a strong password. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, and avoid using personal details or anything you've used on other sites. A password manager can help you create and remember a complex, unique password. After you've entered and confirmed your new password, follow the on-screen prompt to complete the change. Once it's processed, your new password is saved. From this point on, this is the password you'll use whenever you sign into Outlook on the web and in the Outlook app on your devices. A couple of quick tips to make the transition smoother. You may be asked to verify your identity depending on your security settings. That's normal. Also, expect to sign in again on other devices where you use Outlook or any Microsoft apps linked to this account. If a device suddenly stops syncing email, simply sign out and sign back in with the new password. Finally, consider updating any email clients or calendar apps that are connected to your Outlook account so they continue to work without interruptions. That's all there is to it. You opened Outlook in your browser, clicked your profile icon, went to My Profile, selected Change Password, entered and confirmed your new password, and the update was saved. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.